Hello everyone and welcome back to Genie Crafts. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly make a geometrical abstract layered art constructing of some basic shapes like circles, ovals and lines. So guys, let's get started. So here are the layers that I have created. Very simple basic shapes like ovals, ellipses, circles, straight lines, and I have chosen very vibrant colors like yellow, blue, green, red, gray, and finally when I'm going to frame it, I'm going to utilize white border frame. I'm going to make use of OLFA paper cutting knife to do the cutting. The process is very simple. The way I've designed the template is that for each layer I have to remove all the non-shaded areas except the border, and I have to keep all the black areas. So I'm going to cut out all these circles and geometrical shapes for each layer. Since this is a curved shape, so you have to be careful while you are cutting. Keep rotating your paper as you move around the shape. Do not try to curve your hand or move your body. Instead of that, keep rotating the paper because that is a more efficient way of paper cutting. I have already discussed these topics in my basics of paper cutting videos earlier also. You can click the link at the top or you can visit my basics of paper art playlist and you can visit the basic videos there also. So I'll be doing the same process for all the layers, so I'm not going to show it for all the layers. In fact, I have done majority of the cutting work off the camera. Also, as you can see that there is no particular theme to the layers except that they all consist of the geometrical shapes. The only thing that I have kept consistent is that the lowest layer or the last layer will have the most dense design and the topmost layer will have the biggest shape cutouts. The reason being so that when you are viewing from top to bottom, you can see at least the last layer and what design is there on the last layer. So that is the only thing that I have kept consistent while designing the layers. So I'm almost about done with this layer, and once you have completed the layer, this is how this is going to look like from the back. It's looking very pretty. Similarly, prepare other layers. So I have all my layers ready and here they are from bottom to top. So the bottommost layer is straight lines, then we have a complex and dense set of ellipses and circles, then a little less dense, then less dense and less dense. So that's how I prepared the layers, as I told you before also, and this is the sequence of colors that I am following. Now I have decided not to create gap between the layers because even without gap they are looking really good, and I'm just simply going to frame them just like this by giving them a black background at the bottom to help the green color also come out a little bit. And finally I'm going to put a 1.5 centimeter thick white border while framing it to accentuate all the colors. So the frame that I'm going to use is this IKEA frame which I got from the IKEA store, physical store that is present in my location, and these are very beautiful pink and blue colors frame. So for this I'm going to utilize the pink color as it is not part of my actual paper colors that I've utilized in this design. So open the frame, and this has acrylic glass sheet, not the actual glass sheet. So open the frame and remove the protective film from the inside part of the acrylic glass sheet, and next I am going to give it a white inside border within the frame. This is to accentuate all the bright colors that are part of the layers and so that they do not get lost in so many layers. So this white color will bring out the other colors in the design also. And then I'm simply going to put my layers upside down from top to bottom, and lastly give it a black background and then close the frame at the back. And with this our layered art is ready. So finally this is how my abstract layered art has turned out. Do let me know what you think about it, and I hope you found this video useful. If you guys like this video, then please do not forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Also to subscribe to my channel for regular videos on paper arts, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, and bye bye.